Hello people, my name is not Ferdy. I am generated with AI with the prompt make this carrot look like Ferdy and do an introduction about Elementor AI. I'm kidding. Let's talk about Elementor AI. What is it? Is it a product or a feature? We're going to talk about it at the end of the video, but let's talk about what you can do with it. With Elementor AI, you can generate content within your Elementor website. So Elementor knows based on the information on the website that the website is about dogs. So you can go to the heading and then click on write with AI and then you get a few prompts. Write a catchy slogan about or write a tagline about, or you can give it a custom prompt. Write a 4-8 hero about a pet clinic. And then you can generate the text, use the text, and now look at this. Saving lives, one paw at a time. Another example, there's a text. You click on the text, you click on write with AI and you can create a new prompt. And again, you can choose a few options or you can write something yourself. Write a short description about how we can create unique campaigns for business growth. Click on generate text and maybe the text is a little bit too long. Then you can make it shorter and voila, there's the result. If you're happy, you can use the text or you can make it longer. You can simplify the language, make it more simple so people can understand it better. You can fix the spelling and the grammar. Awesome option for me. You can change the tone, make it happy, make it serious, make it inspiring. And when you're happy, click on use text. What else you can do everywhere in your website where there's text, you can click on write with AI and then change the language to the language you have in mind. And you can do that on your complete website in a matter of minutes, depending on how big your website is. Well, this is it about text. Man, this is only the beginning. It's in beta. It's not released yet, but this is only the beginning. I think this will become so big that it will help us so much to create content for our websites. And when we do, we can create better content for our clients, make more money, or use it for your own personal website. And the great thing is you can do it in multiple languages. So you can create the prompt in English and then translate it to your preferred language. But wait, there's more. Look at this. This is next level. You can click on any element in your website, go to advanced, and in this case to custom CSS, and you can write CSS code. Based on a prompt that it will give you, you can choose it, or you create a custom prompt. So in this case, for the image, upon hover, change the filter from grayscale to full color and border radius from 0% to 50% with a smooth transition effect. Use it. Look at this. There's the text. Click on insert and it's there. And now it works. You hover over the products and the effect will take place. Another example, CSS. And by the way, this is the first thing I learned when I made a website in 1999 with Front Page Express. And now you can do it also with Elementor. You click on the element, you go to advanced, again, to custom CSS, code with AI. You say what you want. So in this case, you say, make the text move horizontally in a loop, generate the code, insert it, and there you go. You can do the same with HTML. Drag an HTML element in your website, click on code with AI. There are a few suggestions you can use, or you can write your own prompt. In this case, I frame code to embed Spotify widget on my website page. My ID is this one. Change the ID, generate the code. There it goes. Insert it. Now people can listen to your music or to your playlist. Okay, look at this. This is interesting. This is speculation. You can drag an image over there and then choose an image and click on coming soon. My suggestion or my speculation is that you can create images in the future with Elementor. Why? Let me show you. First, because I showed over here in the video, but let's back it up. If you go to ferdykorp.com/Elementor, you'll be redirected to an Elementor page. But then look at this. There are a few products. If I click on products, web builder, hosting, static, page builder plugin, and the hello theme. If I go for the hello theme, I see products, hello theme. Now, if I change this to AI, I hit enter. Look at this. The Elementor roadmap for AI. Boost your web creation productivity with Elementor. Write or improve your website text. Translate it. Create images. So it's part of the plan in the future. So we can create images based on our prompts. This is amazing that this is built in Elementor. That brings me to the next thing. Is this free? Or is this paid? Or is it an upgrade? Because over here you see, click on upgrade. Well, in this video, they use Elementor Pro. So that means that if you need to upgrade, it's probably not included in Elementor Pro or probably limited. Maybe there are a few prompts you can do for free. And if you take a look at products over here, every product has their own page. And over here, products / AI, it seems to be a separate product. So that's my speculation, that it will be something outside of Elementor that you can buy. And then the question is not how much does it cost, but the question is how much is it worth you? Is it worth the money? If it costs a certain amount of money and it helps me to create text, generate images, help me to streamline or fasten my complete web design production process. We'll see what it will cost and we'll see if it's worth the price. So that's my speculation. It's not included. There will probably a free version for Elementor Free and Elementor Pro, and then you can upgrade to make use of it for unlimited times. What are your thoughts about this? Are you happy with it? Are you like, okay, this will probably fail? If you ask for my opinion, can you please ask that right now? If you're in front of the computer, no matter where you are, please ask. Okay, thank you for asking. I didn't expect that. I think this will be big. The whole AI thing that's going on, I think it will be really big and it will help us. I think people are always needed in order to improve things, to work with AI. So I don't know, I don't think we're 100% replaceable, but I think in the coming times, I don't know how much years, we can definitely use it in our advantage. So I'm happy with this and I'm wondering what you think about it. Thank you for watching this video. When I get my hands on this tool, I will make a tutorial about it so you can get the best out of it. Thank you for watching. Feel free to like the video, subscribe for more upcoming tutorials. And now I wish you a great day. Bye-bye.